Hey there guys, how you doing? It's Drew here, and today is day number 113, I believe. Let me check. Yes, 113, and we'll actually get this video here going to see what time we made the video. Yesterday was at 10 a.m. and it's almost 12. It's 11:50 right now. My battery's almost dead, so I gotta make this one another pretty kind of quick video here for you. So we'll refresh this page and we will get going. So we're at 28 buckaroos there, so not a huge day, probably around average or something like that. And we got to grab this, so we'll grab the command here. We'll go over to good old Mr. Grok, who's been working pretty good lately, and we'll grab this number here and we'll figure out today's daily percentage. Okay, there you go. And we'll grab this number over here. Okay, so 634495. 634495. 6344.95. And we will see the percentage for today is 0.48%. So as I said, like it's almost an average today, right? Okay, let's go, and we're gonna go over to the spot there. Okay, and we're gonna go to the Traiex token, which has come down 1.3% here. So yeah, we're in the same spot as we were yesterday. It looks like it came down, touched that line there. Or no, sorry, we're on the daily candle here. So it didn't come back down and touch the line, guys. It came like halfway down. So we're still in our, this could be a good buying opportunity zone. As I keep on saying, anything here is good to buy. Anything here, I would just kind of wait until we get a new low and high on the daily chart there, okay? So, not financial advice, but, pretty good time to buy. Okay, let's go over and go to the trade history. And what I'm talking about, that Traiex token here, I should say in every single video I do, is this down here. I'm not saying to you guys like, hey, go buy this thing and sell it. I'm saying to get the token so you can get to 80-20 or like wherever you're trying to get to, like 55-45 or whatever you can see here, okay? And that's the income distribution, meaning that this balance here that I'm showing you, or sorry, this percentage here that I'm showing you, that's the 80%, because you can see here I'm at 80-20, okay? So this 0.48% is what I made over the last 24 hours on, and that's the 80% there. On my deposit balance here of $6,314, right? Okay, so if I was at 50-50, I would earn like 30% less of, that 0.48%, which would be like 0.35% or something like that. I don't know off the top of my head, but you get it there. The higher income distribution you have, the more percentage of the profit you're gonna make, okay, from the bot trading, okay? So let's get going. We're gonna look for the 6th, okay? And yep, there you go right there. So we got a full page of trades there. Let's just check, yeah. Okay, so page number 5 is the 6th there, okay? So 5, and now we're gonna look for losing trades. So we've got, this is a profit, profit, profit. That's a loss and a profit, and then to the next page, so I've got one losing trade there, so we'll put 1, and then we've got, that's a loss, profit, 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 and profit. So we had one loss on that page there, so we'll mark that down, is 2, okay? And then this is a profit, profit, loss, profit, profit. Okay, so one more loss there. We've had a loss on every single page here. Not bad, considering there's 5 on each page, right? Okay, so that's a profit, 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 and a profit. And then this guy here is a profit, 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 loss, profit. So one more loss there. So that's 4. And then we're on page number 10 here, which is a profit, profit, loss, profit, profit. So we'll go one more, 5, and then to the next page is a profit, profit, that's a loss, profit, profit. So one more here, so 6, and still the 6th. So this is going to be the 5th here then for sure. Yeah, so we've got one trade here, which is a loss. Okay, so we'll add that there. So 7, which is kind of, I would say 6 to 7 is kind of the average what we see for the loss, because that puts it at like 80% win rate or so. It's like 80 to 90 is kind of the win rates that we see. Anything above 90, it's odd to see. Anything below 80, like the high 70s and stuff, is like odd to see. So 80 to 90% is normally what we see. So we'll see what we got here going today. And we've got one trade on page number 12. So we'll go page 12 has one trade on it. And we'll count things back. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. And I don't think there's any trades on that page there. Yeah. Okay, so 7 times 5 plus 1. Holy jeez. 7 times 5 plus 1 is, let's see if it gives me, remember yesterday it gave me this crazy, like, took like a minute. That was quick today though, 36. So it did a lot of trades. And we had 7 losses there. So you'll see here pretty soon. The win rate, so this is 36 here. And then this is 7. Okay. And then this is going to let us know our win rate for trading of the trades. There is, yeah, so 80.56, which I always round things up. So in today's video, I'd say 81%. Okay, like yesterday, I think I rounded it down or something. So today's 81%, which yesterday was 81%. And then this here, so yesterday we did our video like 5 hours earlier. So it was a really low percentage that I put in my video title, but today's 48%. And then today is day number 213. And that's basically it for the video. I'm just gonna shoot on back over here. We'll do a withdrawal of this guy. Actually, we'll see. I don't think it did a trade because I made the video pretty fast. Yeah. So we'll go, we'll withdraw that. There, you don't necessarily have to withdraw your profits balance, guys. It earns as well. I just like to withdraw it to make this number bigger every day, and then I do a withdrawal. Every 2 weeks I do a withdrawal. So in 7 days I'll do my next withdrawal, right? Okay, let's go over here. Commissions. I made $26.60 today in commission, so we'll withdraw that. It's pretty good, like every single day, roughly around the same amount of commission, because it's based upon the that portion of that company split is what I'm earning here. So I'm earning 21% of that company split. So if someone's at 80-20, I earn 21% of the 20%. If someone's at 50-50, I'd earn 20% of that, or 21% of that 21% of that 50%. So by me showing you guys the token analysis and like, oh, now's a good buying opportunity for the token and stuff, actually works against me. If I was to tell everyone, no, stay at 50-50, I'd actually earn more. But yeah, just like if I join someone in something, guys, I'd want to know like what they would think of something. So, personally myself, I would want to know when's, like say I knew nothing about trading, right? I'd want to know when's a good time to buy something that I need to buy, right? So that's why I always share in my videos the token analysis, because like that's what I do for a living is I trade, right? Like if you look at my personal Facebook page, it's all just like about trading. So here's the trade post I just made today. Oh, she actually read it. That's my wife. But here we'll go to my page, and every day you can see, right? Like today I made $420 USD. And I trade the stock market, guys. Well, there is a Bitcoin trade there, but that's gold. So I did 3 gold trades today and 1 Bitcoin trade. And then yesterday, gold, 3 gold, and a NASDAQ trade. And then day before that, that's NASDAQ, S&P 500, Aussie, US dollar, Canadian dollar, Euro, US dollar, and then this is S&P 500, S&P 500. This guy here, this is a big day, almost $1,400. S&P 500, gold, 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 NASDAQ, NASDAQ, right? So that's why I'm saying that, like my field is trading and marketing basically is what I'm good at. And so if I come along here and you guys are like, I don't really understand like how to do analysis on a chart and all that kind of stuff, then by me just saying, hey, under here is a good place to buy, above here is like, just wait, let's think about it type thing, not financial advice, right? So that's my way of kind of helping out the community, people to watch these videos, people to join me. But in reality, it works against me because, this is how I make commission here through Traiex, which you can see my commission is about the same as my earnings every single day, right? My profits through trading. So yeah, by me telling you guys like where to buy the token and to actually focus on buying the token when you hit a certain amount in your deposit amount, like there's no point buying the token if you have $500 in your deposit amount. Like this doesn't make any sense, right? So anyways, I just thought I'd share that with you guys. So I've got $3,350 USDT to go in sales left, and then I'm going to get a 4,000 USDT bonus, guys. I know a lot of people would like to see me put that in my deposit balance, but the honesty out there is I need to put it towards the new down payment of my car, and my mother-in-law needs a new car this year as well. So we always help her out with buying her next car and stuff like that, because she's like my father-in-law passed away, so it's only her basically. So I got to think about planning for that this year as well because so her car's not super expensive though, but mine's like I always get like a new Tesla or whatever, new to me Tesla, right? Which is, like pretty freaking expensive because I don't like to drive around an old junker car there, right? Okay, anyways, enough blah, 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 right? We'll end things here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to join Traiex, click the first link in the video description. It's going to take you to this page here. Okay. And you can get a 50 USDT bonus. I can do that for 21 more people. Okay. As you can see there, I've got 21 more bonuses to give away. So I can do that for 21 more people. And then after that, it's like, honestly, probably look for someone else to join, or you could join me, but I can't send you $50 or it'd be coming like actually out of my pocket, right? What I'm doing here is I'm basically just giving you my commission that I make. I'm giving it back to you, right? Because I get 100% commission on the sale of a $50 bot, because the $50 bot is like the entry into Traiex, right? So I got 21 more of those left to do, and then I'd have to wait a year basically to do it again. So yeah, guys, after I sell the next 21 bots, which I'm not even, like, you can tell, like, I'm not posting on my social media. I'm just kind of uploading these to YouTube and stuff. So I'm not even really focused on it because I know over the year it will happen. Yeah, but I'm going to keep on doing the content, making the videos, updating you guys, all that kind of stuff. Even after I sell the next 21 bots, I'll just keep on doing the videos. They will probably be even quicker. Like I'll try and make them under 5 minutes, just so, because it has nothing to do with promotion at that time, right? So that's it for me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, if you have questions, you can always ask in the Facebook group. So over here, you can always make a post, guys, and then it goes to pending posts, right? And if it's something like you don't want in the group or whatever, here's the thing though, if you're on my team, if you're not in my structure, don't go to me for support. Go to the person you joined, okay? If you're in my structure, like you've joined me or you've joined someone that's joined me, then you can use this group, or you can personally message me. I don't care. You can use this group or you can personally message me and I can answer your questions, okay? Like for instance, if you join someone that's in my structure and they're kind of like, they don't know a lot and stuff like that, and you have like a question about your deposit, like your investment and stuff, like maybe you're done your testing and you actually want to make a sizable deposit now, and you're kind of like unsure, like, oh, should I buy the tokens? I don't know, like I had a guy message me today saying he's got 20,000 USDT that he wants to get going with, and he asked me like, where should he start, kind of thing like that, right? So like I can help you out with things like that because like I've been through it, right? I've had my account past $10,000. I've had it down to 6,000. I've went and used, to get this thing going, guys, I used $600 out of pocket, and I've had like a $10,000 deposit. I got myself to 4,000 tokens. I did all the promotion end of things, that kind of stuff. And I've withdrawn I think I've withdrawn over $30,000 out of Traiex now. So, I know and understand how to work this system really good. So yeah, if you have questions like that, then you can come to me and ask me if you're in my structure. If you're not in my structure, go and ask the person you've joined, guys. That's always the first question I ask when someone messages me is like, send me your username and I look you up. If I don't see you, then I say, go to the person you joined. Like that's the whole purpose of a sponsor, is for them to support you, or like the team leader or whatever. Like, look at Traiex EN team. That's our team. Okay, so that's it from me. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in another one here shortly. Tomorrow. Bye-bye.